Hey guys, today I'm doing a shout out to another YouTube friend of mine, and his username is Freezing Snowstorm. So I just wanted to say thank you for being a very good YouTube friend, and for always commenting on my videos. And I really appreciate that. Oh, and also, as you can see, I have a clean, I know it's not No Shave November, but if you look here, you can see that my face is all clear. Although it does have some parts where it shows a pinch of my mustache, but yeah, that's fine with me. Alright, guys, there you go. That is my shout out of the day. Be sure to stay tuned for more of my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want. For right now, this is FreddyRudo of YouTube.com signing off. Bye!